we were able to make this, but we have to do we have to do very much to make this thing look good. Okay, so what do we do? First of all, we'll change the background color. Okay, I don't want this background color. So just a minute. I'll just change this to a more, let's say stylish version. Okay, I think this color will suit well. Just a minute. So where to change? So this is basically a scaffold background color. So if we need to change this, we need to go, I need the exact place. And that's why I think, this block structure is very useful because you exactly know the place where you need to change anything to get this thing rolling. So if I save this, and now it looks like a much better version. Okay, so now I need to change some color combinations. And how do we do that? It's simple. Now in the widgets, so when we have the page indicator, we have a certain more things. I'm just pressing control space and I get some options out there. So selected color, colors dot as a ember would look great. So let's say that yellow color would look pretty well. Yeah, now it looks, that's a good, little bit good. Okay, we will do a few more changes out there. So yeah, now it's better. Now what I suggest is that this should blend. Okay, so I don't know the code yet, but Stack Overflow is always there. So blend image to gradient Flutter, and I think we can use this link. So just go here, just copy this container code out there, and you have stack, and there you go, and paste. Save. You'll see that if you do here, the image will be a little bit darkened. Okay, so you see now the image is a little bit darkened, but I don't want the black color. I want the same background color that we used in the home screen. So I'm just copying this. I am going in there again, and I'm changing this color from black to what I had in mind. And I don't want here, I want here black. So I'm copying this. And now if you can see, it is much better. Like the whole thing is blending really well. So now what I can do is just add the name of the movie down here and a play button over the center. So let's just do that. Now it's a stack. Stack means everything will be placed one above the other. I'm not concerned about the position. We can set this obviously. So in here, what I can do is that, let's say just a simple text. Come on, man. It's a simple text. Not this. I can do movies and index dot title. If I save this, you can see that I'll have the title, but it's here, and no one will see this title over here. So we'll first align this to where we want exactly. So align, and we want it to be at align. Come on, this thing is gonna hear it. Chalne bhai. Okay, sorry for this. Alignment dot bottom left, and yeah, what you saw just there was a frustration. Okay, if we save this, you can see now the image will be at the, now the text will be at the bottom left out there, but I'll showcase you. You see the bottom left, but still we need to do a lot of change. So I'll do all of it once, and then you'll see it again. So yeah, and also what you saw out there was frustration that we get while coding. And that's why I always write that happy and safe coding. Style. And if we go like text style, and there you go. So color I want white because white sets well. Just a minute. Colors dot white. Now font size 30 good. And one more thing I need is that just set the padding to a little bit so that it's not as attached to the screen as we, come on. Then sets only. I'll say left, it should be 20 sideways. And I think it would work. I mean, I would suggest that it should work. Yeah, so now it's better. Now it's Mulan, Money Plane, Eva, Peninsula, cats and dogs. It's there. So now we want a single play button. It's also simple. In Flutter, everything is simple. I mean, really, everything is damn simple in Flutter. So it's just an icon that we want. So I'm doing icon, and which icon do I want? I'd say font awesome icon. I know you might not see this right now, but I'll explain you how you can, you also import this. Let's take amber color. It looks great. So it will be there, but in the center, I'll showcase you that. But before that, there is a PubSpec YAML, and here is a font awesome Flutter that I'm using right now. So if you want that, where to get this, there is the Flutter package that we have right here. So there you go. There is a PubSpec Flutter file. So in here, you can just install this. There you go. So the right now version that I'm using is 8.1.0, but whenever you're watching this video, you'll have some different versions out there. So you can use whatever version that's latest and you can use it. Okay, that's fine with now. And in here, if you can see, there is a small yellow button out there, but we wanted to get exact center. So how to do that? So just take the button that you have. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so just wrap it in a alignment. Okay, alignment dot center. Save this. And if you want to change the size, you can do that. Just change this to 30. And if you see it, you can see the center button is there. Just change a little bit size again. The name 60. 60 will be, I think, good. No, yeah. It's better. It's better. Okay, this is the completion of one of the component. Now we will look into how to set those tab bar. Okay, that is a bit slightly complex. But what I would suggest is that do this again. Do this whole process that we have made till now again. Then watch the next video. It will be really useful to you. So that's it. Have a great day. Bye bye.